Hello and welcome back to Home Go Time, your go-to destination for inspiration and ideas in home decor and design. Transform your home with Boho Farmhouse Decor, DIY styling ideas for a relaxed and rustic look. Boho Farmhouse Decor blends the charm of rustic living with the softness and soul of bohemian style. It's relaxed, cozy, and full of creative character. If you're drawn to earthy textures, warm tones, and a layered, well-loved feel, this mix of styles brings it all together in a way that's casual yet curated. With the right details like distressed wood, woven accents, neutral textiles, and artisan-inspired touches, you can create a space that feels personal, welcoming, and lived in. This look doesn't follow rigid rules. It invites you to play with texture, embrace imperfections, and layer your home with stories and style. In today's video, we're sharing easy DIY ideas to help you bring boho farmhouse decor into your own home. From repurposed vintage pieces to handcrafted wall hangings and earthy color palettes, you'll find inspiration that's both budget-friendly and beautiful. Whether you're decorating a cozy corner or refreshing an entire room, these tips will help you create a space that feels warm and effortlessly stylish. So light a candle, grab your favorite drink, and enjoy these creative ways to make your home reflect your love of rustic charm and boho ease. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a new decorating idea right here on Home Go Time. Thanks so much for watching. I hope this video gave you the spark to start adding your own personal flair to your space. Whether you're layering soft fabrics, hanging a DIY wall piece, or styling a shelf with thrifted treasures, Boho Farmhouse style is all about creating comfort with creativity. Until next time, keep decorating with warmth, texture, and a touch of soulful charm.